My name is Michael Clanahan. I'm here with LinkedAll Aero Solutions. I'm part of our enterprise sales team. Right here we have the Matrice 300 RTK with the OGI 640 sensor we have right here. Produced by Sierra-Olympic, and we actually provide the housing on that, and then the fully integration with the DJI Pilot app. So this right here. So general customers include mostly oil and gas, specifically in the LDAR section, leak detection and repair section within each company are what they want. So they typically have or need a drone, and then we work with them on the sensor. So this one is actually has 640 by 512 resolution, so it's better in terms of the quality of image that comes out, and that way they're actually seeing that high-res resolution, so you're able to make out all of your plumes and so forth. It was about an 18-month process to do the full integration into DJI Pilot, and then working with Sierra-Olympic in terms of producing the housing and so forth. And then we work with our engineer in-house to make it work with not only the drone, but the camera and the remote too. So it is actually plug and play. So all you got to do is there's a little pin on the side right here. You press in, and then it's going to release. And then the customer can just plug right back in. And then you can turn it back on. And it does take about 3 to 5 minutes for it to cool down, and then it'll actually show you the image once that process is completed. We see more and more customers that are adopting this technology because it's needed. The typical process right now is they'll use a handheld camera to detect the leak. This actually puts them up at a better angle so they can actually see the leak coming from the top of the tank or wherever they may be, and that just makes their job much easier.